Assalamualaikum and a very good day. To begin, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Eli Adliza binti Jafridin. My metric number is 01DKA20F2011. Today, I will be explaining about design review. Starting with task 1, which is design review of architectural system versus mechanical system. First step is by doing interference checks. On Collaborate tab, click Interference Check, select these categories, run Interference Check. Then, the interference report will be generated. After that, clash item will be highlighted as shown in the diagram. As we can see from the diagram on the slide, ducting system are intersect to the wall. Air terminal are also intersect to the compound ceiling and need a correction. These are the strategy on how to deal with this problem. As for ducting system that will intersect to the wall, what we need to do is draw wall opening at the section as been shown in the slide. Next, for air terminal that intersect to the compound ceiling, draw opening on the ceiling using shaft opening. Finally, run interference check again, then refresh to update the report on interference. If the correction is made correctly, it will show that no interference detect between the element and mechanical system. Moving on to task 2, which is design review of mechanical system versus electrical system. First step is by doing interference check. On Collaborate tab, click Interference Check and then select these categories that shown in the diagram. Then run interference checks. Then the interference report will be generated. After that, clash item will be highlighted as shown in the diagram. As we can see from the diagram on the slide, ducting system and also conduit are intersect to each other. Here, these are the strategy on how to deal with this problem. It is to move the duct system M supply diffuser, or we can adjust the position of conduit that intersect with duct system. Finally, run interference check again and then refresh to update the report on interference. If the correction is made correctly, then it will show no interference detect between electrical system and also mechanical system. Last but not least is task 3, which is design review of cold water system versus sanitary plumbing system. First step is by doing interference check. On Collaborate tab, click Interference Check and then select this category that's shown in the diagram. Then run interference check. Then the interference report will be generated. After that, the clash item will be highlighted as shown in the diagram. As you can see from the diagram on the slide, the material of the pipe fitting for this pipe are not correct. Hence, the strategy on how to deal with this problem is to change the material of pipe fitting, which is to polystyrene. Finally, run interference check again, then refresh to update the report on interference. If the correction is made correctly, it will show no interference detect between cold water system and sanitary plumbing system. That's all from me. Thank you.